Hi, and welcome to another daily recap. So today I'm going to recap day 116, and it's October 16, 2024 Wednesday. So today there is no trades on both EU as well as on GU. So let me see what happened today. And before that, this is the fundamentals that we have to keep in mind before taking any trades. So this is, Indian time. Actually, this is uh, 7 a.m. UTC plus one, which is London time. So at 7 a.m. we are having, high impact news on GBP. So probably, price would, rally up or down during that phase, and then price would definitely target the uh, liquidity above the news candle or below the news candle. So probably that would be my target today. So let's see what happened on both EU as well as TU. So let's start with the EU. This is EU on the daily chart, where you can see that the swing structure is bullish, internal is bearish, and the price almost took the sell side liquidity of the daily. So it is one step taking away, one step down, taking away the sell side liquidity. But remember, this is a very high probability POI, and this POI can hold and push the price up to mitigate into the supply and flip this one and then push the price up. So I can't say that the price is completely bearish until the price invalidates this POI. So till then, I can say that the price is going to react off this supply, react off this demand. But for now, with this bearish order flow, I'm just going to follow it, and then I'm not going to expect any demand to hold. So what I can expect, what I'm trying to say is, I'm just trying to play the bearish momentum, but I'll keep in mind that anytime the price could be, price could turn bullish, and then it can start to go up. There you can see, but I need a strong confirmations for taking longs. Thus, for now, I follow the bearish momentum till the price makes significant bullish shift in the order flow. It's as simple as that. So, jumping into the 4-hour chart, you can see that the price, the swing structure is bearish, internal is also bearish, and the price is in the extreme 4-hour demand zone. Probably, price has mitigated so deep that most probably price would invalidate this demand and take out the sell side liquidity below it. So, once the sell side liquidity is taken, either we can expect the run phase to start, or we can expect a deeper, we can expect a deeper bearish momentum till the price mitigates this daily demand. So let's zoom in a bit so that we can gather some more information from 4-hour chart. Here you can see um, price almost invalidated the 4-hour demand. So today I'm expecting the price to invalidate the demand and take the sell side liquidity. So my first target would be the sell side liquidity. If I get suitable trading opportunity, and I'll definitely grab that one and take shots. If the sell side liquidity being taken out, I can expect the price to be bullish to mitigate the 4-hour supply above. That is to make an internal pullback. Remember, price moves from liquidity pool to liquidity pool. So once this is taken, this would be a buy side liquidity where I can look to target this buy side liquidity. If I get a bullish chalk in H1, that would be sufficient for me to take longs to target this buy side liquidity and eventually price tapping into the 4-hour supply. So this is what my game plan is for both shorts as well as longs. I have plans. So let's jump into the H1 and see what the H1 has for me. So this is the swing structure. I know this is very small when compared to the earlier ones, but we need to adapt as per the market conditions. The price made a huge push up, swept a ton of buy side liquidity, and then pushed down. So this would be a strong high. I decided to mark this as my buy side liquidity. Sorry, as my strong high because it has swept a strong buy side liquidity and then pushed down. So this would be very strong high, which can hold the price and then push the price further down. So my target here you can see a low resistance liquidity in confluence with the daily target. So if I was trading 15 minutes, then this could be, I could find some, a bearish sweep zone to target the daily target. But since I'm trading H1, so maybe it's not possible because you know, by the time the price comes down, I might not get enough risk to reward to target the daily sell side liquidity. It's fine. So I can look to play longs where the price can take this sell side liquidity and chalk bullish. From the fresh view, I can look to take longs and then target the buy side liquidity above. That is the Asian ice. So let's see how the price trade on this day. So here are the notes. Price may take out this sell side liquidity and then make the swing pullback, or price can make the swing pullback, mitigate the 4-hour supply, chalk bearish, and then take out the sell side liquidity. So anything is possible. So I need to wait. It either price can take this one out, chalk bearish, chalk bullish, and then makes a swing pullback, or it can continue this bullish order flow, taps into the 4 hour supply, and then chalk bearish. From this rest supply, I can look for shorts targeting the weak swing low. So either this or that, I'm always ready to take the trades. Thus, I can either play the swing pullback once the price takes out the sell side liquidity, or I can play the phase A run phase if the price mitigates the 4 hour supply, and then chalk bearish with the resting sell side liquidity below. I can look to target this sell side liquidity below. And yeah, actually, price took the daily target, but there is no possible of price being chalk bullish. So what I can say is I can look to follow this bearish order flow till the price reaches the next daily supply. So I thought that this would be kind of small movements and then price can chalk bullish, but this is very much difficult for the price to chalk bullish. Even if it chalks bullish, price would be mitigating the daily, the 4 hour supply. Again, I need to see it chalk bearish to look for shorts. So rather than over complicating things, I can just look to follow this bearish order flow and target the daily demand below. It's as simple as that. So this is phase A2 and price not drifting off from high time frame POIs. Yeah, in line with the medium time frame order flow, medium time frame with a score of 4 by 8. Here you can see it has swept liquidity, it has displacement, it has made shift in the order flow, and it is still unmitigated. And does it have inducement? No. Does it form during the kill zone? No. It is not stacked within the 4 hour chart in the 4 hour POI, and it has not flipped an POI. Probably I can say that it has flipped this one. So probably, yeah, you can say that 5 out of 8 criteria is being met. Anyway, this box has already been ticked because of these 4 conditions have been satisfied. And one more thing is that high time frame narrative supporting the medium time frame idea. How? Because the daily is supporting this idea. How? The daily is bearish because daily there is an extreme daily demand and there is a daily bearish momentum. So I can expect the price to come further down to mitigate the daily demand with this bearish momentum. So what are the other confluences? There is no opposing demand zones, so I can look to yeah continuing. Sorry for the disturbance. So what I was saying is I can look to follow the bearish order flow, and I must also keep in mind that this there is a ton of buy side liquidity above, and price can look to target the buy side liquidity since the price took the sell side liquidity below. So that is my actual analysis, right? But now my daily bias has been shifted to bearish because of the daily extreme demand, and there is uh, a lot of no immediate demand to the left. And one more thing is that extreme bearish order flow in the daily in the daily chart. So combine these 3 points. So I just made my high time frame objective in the daily as bearish, and I just want to utilize that bias in the H1 and follow the order flow. So what are the risk factors actually? So price can make a deeper swing pullback as daily sell side liquidity is being taken out. So probably a large amount of sell side liquidity is being taken. So we can expect a ton of buy side liquidity can be targeted, and the ton of buy side liquidity is obviously listed above this high, and Asian highs also. And one more thing is that it is also Asian high. So it adds to the liquidity pool. The price can definitely target this one. If I get sufficient low time frame confirmations here, then I can look for shorts. Otherwise, I can just skip the trade and wait for the price to you know go into this 4 hour supply and then chalk bearish, and then I can look for shorts targeting the weak internal low. That would be my plan. So let's see what happened. So this is the lower time frame, and at 10:03 there is kind of a fake break. If the price takes this one, this would be fake price liquidation, and here is the lid. So we are getting sufficient amount of low time frame confirmation, but the thing here is this is the last level of supply in the M15 within the H1 chart. Within the H1 POR. If this gets invalidated, there is no supply above in the M15. So and this is also low resistance liquidity, and that's the price can easily rally through this one, and the trade can get invalidated. So what I'm expecting is price to make uh, a fake break that is LC2A, and then tap into this POI, and then I can look to trade using LC2A with the liquidity candle. But for now, I'm not looking into any trades because it is London lull, and I'm just waiting for the New York to open to take the trades. And here you go. And in the London lull itself, the price took both the pullback inducement as well as the leg inducement, and even worse, it invalidated the POI. So coming into New York, I didn't have anything to look from apart from taking long apart from taking longs, where the price can mitigate this demand, and then we can expect a deeper internal pullback into the H1 supply. So this H1 supply is a high probability supply. Why? It has a ton of it has an inducement right here, and it has swept a ton of buy side liquidity, and then it has pushed down. So this is the I can call this kind of POI as an institutional supply, and price will be definitely magnetized towards those kind of POIs. So I was interested in buys, though my daily bias is bearish. I'm interested in buys for now. So price came down. It did not mitigate the POI, and it tapped into the 4 hour. I mean the 4 hour supply. So now what if I get chalk bearish? Then I can't play the longs because it would be against the medium time frame fractal order flow. So what I can do? I can just simply skip this day, or I can wait for the price to chalk bearish. Then I can look for shorts from this freshly formed POI because it has tapped the 4 hour chart and then chalk. I mean the 4 hour POI and then chalk bearish, right? So this could be a real chalk bearish, and then I can look to target. I mean follow this bearish order flow and then target the weak swing low if possible. Let's check what happened. The price did not mitigate my POI and it just kept going. As longs are invalidated. Now all I can do is wait for the price to chop bearish and then play the shorts targeting the weak swing. The same. And price actually chopped bearish, but it is not the most convincing chop for me to play the phase B shorts. So still then, I'm not interested as I need to wait for the second 2 p.m. candle to finish. So, yeah, actually, this is 2 p.m. This is 2 p.m. candle. Once this 2 p.m. candle finishes, it would be 3 p.m. UK time. So my destination is at 3 p.m. So I can't take any trades. So this is my last update. It is the EOD update. I know that this is not going to close below. Even if it closes below or closes below, I can't extend my trading session because I'm very strict with the rules nowadays. So I'm finishing my day without any trade. So and if you look back on what happened on this day, London was a bit distributive session, but New York it just consolidated. So that's why there was no trading opportunities. But sometimes London, when New York starts to distribute, then there would be a ton of opportunity. But for now, you can see all these days the New York was a bit consolidated. So that's why I'm not getting any trades. But sooner or later, I'll be definitely getting an opportunity, and I must be able to capitalize on that. Until then, I must not take any silly trades and waste my capital on unnecessary trades. So that's how trading works, right? So let's jump into uh, GU and see what happened on GU on this day. So this is my daily chart on GU where the swing structure is bullish, internal is also bullish, and price has mitigated this daily demand. And you can see this bearish momentum and this bearish momentum. You can see that the bearish momentum has slowed down, and there is weakening of the supply coming into the market. Thus, I can expect the price can reverse from this daily demand. So actually, recently price has chopped took some buy side liquidity and chopped bearish. So I can say that this supply is a high probability one, and I can look to go for shorts following this bearish order flow. So zooming in, you can say that you can see this very clearly. Price swept the buy side liquidity and then it has chopped bearish. This is a straightforward indication that the price may take out the sell side liquidity resting below the daily demand. So jumping into the 4-hour chart, you can see that the swing structure is bullish and internal is uh, it's almost going to be bearish, but I can't say completely it's bearish. So zooming in, you can see that internet it has swept a ton of buy sell liquidity. So most obviously the price will chop. I mean, I was bearish down, and then I can probably look to uh, look for shorts if there is any H1 of nice bomb during the session. The price swept the buy sell liquidity and made a strong push down. The shorts become high probability as the price can continue this bearish order flow till the price takes out the daily sell sell. Even after that, there is no significant demand to the left from which we can expect a strong bullish reaction. Thus, this bearish order flow can continue for some time. So this is how it works. There is no significant demand to the left, but still, I must keep in mind that the price is still in the 4-hour demand. So I can't come to any conclusion that this demand can fail. Anytime this demand can hold, and then it can push the price further up. So jumping into the H1 chart, the H1, the swing structure is bearish and the internal is also bearish. So after taking this daily sell side liquidity, I can look for a bullish chop. Then I can look to play the long. That's the only option. I can. There is no phase A shorts. Price needs to go all the way up to play the phase A to phase A shorts. But that's phase A will definitely not happen today. The only opportunity that I can get is daily sell side liquidity sweep, a chalk bullish, and then I can look to target some internal resistance liquidity, and then quick scalp using longs. So that's the only thing that I can do today. So at 7:25, sorry, this is EU actually. Okay, we go GU. Yeah, actually there is no update. I didn't bother to look at GU chart because I didn't get any bullish chop because yeah actually price up the daily sell side liquidity, and after which I expected the price to make bullish chop, but it didn't. This was one straight push down and the price is pushing up, so I can't jump into any conclusive decisions. If the price chop bullish, then I could have been interested in taking longs. So I can't take this as a POI and start looking for longs. It's not as per my rules. So there is no, there is nothing in GU, and I was focused only on EU as price did not make any bullish chop to play this swing pullback. It's as simple as that. So to summarize today, it's a very short video, and I would like to say that there is no trade on both EU as well as GU. In EU, it almost there was at least some opportunity, but price didn't exactly do the way that I wanted to do. So there was no trades on EU. In GU, I expected the price to make a bullish chop, which it didn't, so I didn't take the trade. So regarding any shorts opportunity, so there is no shorting opportunity because yeah, there is no shorting opportunity. Okay, yeah, that's it from this day analysis, October 16, 2024. We'll see you tomorrow on October 17, 2024. Until then, cheers, guys. Bye.